Okay, so here we are, lesson 5 assignment. Excited because I'm finally caught up. Um, so let's go over context. As you can see, I have the document that we uploaded for the mock context, and it is working, so that's exciting. And then the next thing we're supposed to do, let's go to messages. Oh, it does documents first. I go to documents, you can see I have the mock documents, and this works now. Yay! That's working, that's exciting. Pretty buttons. So I did all the document things I was supposed to do, and then the messages. Here are my messages. And type something in. Still works. Let's see. I think that is everything. So everything is working now. That should be working. And I'm really happy that this window finally decided to show up. And yeah, there you go. That's my lesson 5.